Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm a Thrivister coach. I wanted to reach out and send you guys a little bit of motivation. I know sometimes when you're working really hard and you're not seeing the results that you expect, it's easy for your motivation to just kind of disappear. I want to talk about what it looks like to give yourself a break. We know that the brain is a muscle, and just like all muscles, when you overexercise it, it does start to kind of wear on you. So whether you're in the gym or just working on some things for school, it's really important for you to remember that you do need those breaks. The thing is, those breaks need to be timed. When you're working out in the gym, you take a moment, you pause, and then you get back to your work. But during that break, do whatever it is that you need to do to kind of chill your brain. Set a timer so you know exactly how long your break is going to be and you use it to its full advantage. But remember, once that timer goes off, you got to get back to work. Pace yourself and know that you have the opportunity to control how your work gets done.